Hello all. So I got this cover to cover up this line set going up the wall for this mini split, and I thought I'd do a video on how you could install it, or how I'm going to install it. Basically, we just need to cop onto the top and come down with this nice cover, and it comes with these screws. I think I'm going to have to use some different screws since this wall has got stucco. I'm not sure how good those are going to work, but I'm going to see. And so I'm going to go and do it. This looks like it's the top piece. All these pieces, they got slider ends. They slide in and out, so it looks pretty simple, really. Just a matter of getting it covered up. I might have to push it closer to the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this top piece has a screw right there, it looks like. So I screwed that in, and then this is going to come over the top, on the very top. So that's the point I'm at. I've got a screw up here. I'm gonna have to screw in. And I did start up here, which was a mistake. I should have screwed this in first. But so I'm gonna go and put this on, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got the top on here, and I did have to use some different screws. One in the middle for this bottom piece, and this top. And this side just has two screws that go on it. So I'm gonna go and follow it down. I'm gonna have to straighten this, it looks like, since it's all curvy. But I'm gonna use those other pieces and just snap them on as I go, and I'll be back. All right, these pieces, they slide out and they snap together. They just snap together, go around the line set. And they just snap in there. I'm gonna put one on the back, one on the front, snap it in, and that slides right up and in there. And I'm just going to keep working my way down and try to get it as straight as I can. But that's basically it right there. Okay, and I got these little middle pieces that screw on. So I'm going to go ahead and I screwed it in right there. I'm going to put this on. I got this cover. Alright, so I'm back, and that's it. I'm pretty much done, I think. Just ran that line all the way down like that. It's not very hard. I had a whole lot of pieces left over, so should be able to mix and match whatever you need to hook up to get it for however setup you got. I still got two more of these left over and a bunch of other pieces, a bunch of those screws. But that's basically it. That's the way I'm going to run mine. I might have been able to get it a little straighter right there in the middle, maybe. But that's pretty much it. It looks a lot better than it did, that's for sure. Anyways, that's how I installed a line cover on a mini split.